Hi, my name is Kwanesha, and I am a part of Dylan's coaching program. So, my life before doing Dylan's program, I was kind of trying to figure things out. I was looking on a ton of videos, like all the time. Different people had different opinions, different thoughts, different approaches, different angles, but there wasn't any type of thing that I found effective that wasn't like a get rich quick scheme or something like that. After I joined Dylan's program, it was eye opening on so many different levels. I'm still learning a lot, still early in the program. However, the things that I have learned from her program up to now have been invaluable. It's about learning how to be a better entrepreneur, how to be a better small business owner, the direction, the plans. Just she lays it all out, and it has been life-changing for me. And the advice that she gives, that it is invaluable. It's I see such a bigger picture. I see a better approach. She's helped me to pivot and turn and make different decisions based on the direction I thought I was going in versus where I am now is completely different. If I hadn't joined her coaching program, I would have never have gotten that advice. So I am thankful for just that alone. And then the money making part of it is a bonus. And I just feel like she teaches you how to fish instead of giving you the fish. And those lessons and those things come very infrequent. And I am forever grateful for that, because she makes and takes the time to make sure that you are going to have the opportunity to get to where you want to be and need to be. To any Etsy seller that's on the fence, I strongly recommend you take a step back and think about what you're gaining from joining her program. This is an investment, obviously, but any business that you have to invest in your business, and most importantly, you have to invest in yourself. And this is going to be a bonus in both ways. You are going to learn things and insights from someone who's actually been in the business, who's been very successful in the business, and then is willing to share the wealth of knowledge with you as well, which is going to in turn help you grow your business.